What's going on, guys? You saw them in the thumbnail. These are so crazy dope, in my opinion. They're a women's release. I don't care. The moment I saw images a few months ago that these were coming, I've been waiting to get them. So we've got the Orchid 4s. We're going to check them out together. Let's kick it. So, standard Jordan 4 box, flight logo on the top. You've got the cement print going around. Women's Air Jordan 4, Orchid neutral gray and black. Women's 10, men's 8.5. My usual size, my true size. I would encourage you to go true to size as well. I always forget to talk about the sizing in these videos. Shame on me, but man, not everybody likes pink. I get it. But boy, do I. And it's like Pepto-Bismol kind of pink. You know, it's like a pale pink, if you will. And it looks more like Oreo type speckles, the cement speckled print and everything on this particular shoe. But let's start on the bottom like we always do. You have that Orchid pink, black, and this gray color, this neutral gray. Herringbone running all the way around, as well as the white hit. Up on the midsole, you have the speckle print. You have white instead of sail. Visible air unit in the heel, encapsulated air sole in the forefoot. But you have your polyurethane midsole in speckle print and white. The black hit of rubber coming around is kind of like a semi-cup sole, kind of, for the outsole. And then you have that kind of soft rubberized plastic with the speckle print, black tips, black behind the pink meshing as we move around the front. On the toe rand, look at this suede, man. It feels pretty premium. It does. I gotta say, for their usual releases, it's a decent quality. You see the cuts and everything. Doesn't have the die cuts, but that's okay. Man, it's soft. I gotta say, it's pretty buttery. I really like it. Moving up, the flight patch with the pink hit, white and black. You have the matching laces, which I think having that one tone with the laces just kind of works. Medial side's more of the same. Man, this colorway on this silhouette, this is where it's at to me. Jumpman logo, because it is definitely not an original colorway. Rather stiff up here, because in certain instances this will stick, like when you're driving or something like that and you got your foot angled like this. If you're on your toe at all, this will dig into your Achilles. It does, you know, these 4s will do that. They do that to me for sure. So let's pull this bunched up paper out the way. Take a look at that pink Air Jordan patch upside down. You got the microfiber on the tongue, soft and fuzzy around the collar, relatively thick padding. And let's see what we're working with. I'm sure it's Dream Cell as far as our insole. It sure feels like it. It is more of the Orchid pink for the sock liner, black Jumpman, and it is indeed Dream Cell. So it's nice and squishy, polyurethane based with some foam. 4-step in comfort, nothing crazy. It's pretty much standard fare to get the Dream Cell insole. And then you have the Strobel. It's actually rather cushy. It's weird for a Jordan 4. It's not hard, super hard and dense. I mean, it's dense, but they've changed this polyurethane. Look, it's still hard, but not as much of a brick as it used to be. And I got a few pairs like that. They've changed up the formula for this polyurethane. There must be more foam base into it or something. I don't know, but they're more cushy than they used to be. Guys, these are dope. These are not going to be for everyone. I don't necessarily think these will get cheap. I did buy them early, so I did pay a premium. I don't think they're going to get cheap, but I don't think they're going to get crazy expensive either. But these are not going to be for everybody. They're not. Boy, I like them though. I haven't put them on feet yet. I can't wait. I've got some camo jogger pants on. Gray and black camo that will actually go pretty well with this. These are super fresh. October's the right time to release it. Breast Cancer Awareness Month for a pink Jordan to come out. And not typical pink. Like I said, more of a pale pink. Like an orchid flower. It's a pale pink. I love the theme. The materials used here are pretty damn good. When they actually use good shit, it impresses me. Because they used to use good shit. And most of the time, they don't use good shit. Jordan brand. Do better. You charge a premium. But overall, solid shoe. In hand, they're even better than they are in pictures. Just know that. I'm sure they would look good with some white laces, with some white with speckle print laces, with the black laces with speckle print. They got cool laces for the 4s out there, but I'm sticking with the laces as they are here. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. I can't wait to put these on feet so I can film the on-foot footage you've seen already, because I haven't done it yet. The way I structure the videos, though, you saw it on my feet before I did. So I'm ready to get to that portion. So I appreciate you guys checking this out. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe before you leave. I'll catch you on the next one. Y'all have a good one.